Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Xbox Cloud Gaming. First, you will need an active Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription. This subscription unlocks hundreds of games available for streaming. Next, ensure you have a stable internet connection, ideally with a speed of at least 20 megabits per second for smooth gameplay. You can then access cloud gaming through a web browser or the dedicated Xbox app on your device. Xbox Cloud Gaming is incredibly versatile, allowing you to play on many devices. You can enjoy games on your smartphone, tablet, personal computer, or even certain smart televisions. For the best experience, a compatible controller is strongly recommended. You can easily connect your Xbox wireless controller or other supported controllers using Bluetooth or a USB cable, ensuring precise control during your gameplay sessions. Once you are set up, finding and playing games is straightforward. Navigate through the extensive library of titles available for cloud streaming. Simply select the game you wish to play, and it will begin streaming instantly to your device. A fantastic feature is that your game progress and saves are automatically stored in the cloud, allowing you to pick up exactly where you left off on any compatible device. To ensure the best possible cloud gaming experience, here are a few helpful tips. Always use a fast and stable internet connection. A 5 GHz Wi-Fi network is often ideal. Try to minimize other network activity, like large downloads, to reduce latency and improve responsiveness. For the most reliable and consistent performance, especially on a personal computer, consider using a wired Ethernet connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.